Meet Matt. He's a vital member of the UGo Mobility family, and he's here to make sure that when UGo Mobility says a place is accessible, you can count on it. Today, Matt is exploring every corner of the Honolulu Zoo to confirm it's a fun and accessible destination for everyone. The zoo features smooth, paved pathways across all 42 acres, so moving around is effortless. Whether you're using a wheelchair or scooter, along the way, you'll encounter incredible wildlife, from playful primates to majestic tigers, mighty elephants, Komodo dragons, and even hippos. And that's just the start. Whether you're visiting with family, friends, or simply treating yourself, the Honolulu Zoo offers a fun, inclusive experience with top-notch accessibility. UGo Mobility and Matt proudly recommend it as one of the best accessible attractions on the island. To reserve your scooter or wheelchair and start your Oahu adventure, call UGo Mobility at 855-456-4846. With UGo Mobility, every adventure is within reach.